Today I'll be showing a heart-healthy fried fish in air fryer. It is so easy and it turns out lip-smacking delicious. So please do try my recipe and please do subscribe to my channel. For this dish I'm using almost a pound of cod fillet. To this I'm going to add lemon pepper seasoning, Italian seasoning, and my favorite turmeric, chili pepper, and salt. So here I have a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of chili pepper, quarter teaspoon of turmeric, a teaspoon of lemon pepper seasoning, and a big pinch of Italian seasoning. Mix it. So I have gently rubbed the masala mixture, and now I'm going to use olive oil spray on the fillets each side. This is ready to go in the fridge now, and it will rest for after 2 hours of marinating it. I'm gonna squeeze a hole. Now it's gonna marinate again for an hour, and then I'll put it in my air fryer. Air fry fish 400 for 10. In it goes. Here it comes. Look at that. See, the knife goes in. That means fish is done. Heart healthy fried fish in an air fryer. And I would love to hear your feedback. Bye.